Here's everything the latest reports are revealing about Samsung's next premium flagship, the Galaxy S26 Ultra. The Galaxy S26 series is now just months away, with an expected launch window set for January-February 2026, and leaks are coming in faster than ever. With each new report, the full picture is becoming clearer, and honestly, this could be one of Samsung's most ambitious Ultra upgrades in years. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to be the undeniable centerpiece of the lineup. Samsung's most powerful smartphone is rumored to receive major internal upgrades, visible design changes, next-generation AI features, and meaningful quality of life improvements that push it further ahead of the standard S26 and S26. Plus, let's break down the biggest upgrades. Rumored for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, Snapdragon only. Power for the S26 Ultra first up. Performance, and this is a big one. According to regulatory listings and trusted insiders, the Galaxy S26 Ultra will use the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 in every single market worldwide. That means no Exynos variants for the Ultra. Regardless of region. Samsung appears to be reserving Exynos chips for the standard Galaxy S26 and S26 Plus in select markets, while ensuring that the Ultra delivers maximum and consistent performance globally. This move alone will be a huge win for power users, gamers, and longtime Ultra fans who wanted Snapdragon-only reliability. Faster charging at last charging speeds are finally getting a much-needed boost. Multiple certifications, along with Samsung's own disclosure of a 60W fast charger, strongly suggest that the Galaxy S26 Ultra will support up to 60 West wired charging, up from 45 West on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, while Samsung still trails some Chinese brands pushing 100W charging. This is a meaningful improvement that should noticeably reduce charging times. Wireless charging is also expected to improve, jumping from 15 West to 25 West, making everyday top-ups much more convenient. Full Key 2. Wireless charging with magnets. Another long-requested upgrade is Full Key 2 wireless charging support. This means the Galaxy S26 Ultra could finally include built-in magnets, enabling seamless use of magnetic accessories like wireless power banks, snap-on cases, car mounts, and charging stands. The Galaxy S25 series was technically Key 2 ready, but lacked magnets, limiting real-world usefulness. Samsung is rumored to be fixing that oversight with the S26 lineup, and especially the Ultra, subtle but important design change design-wise. Leaked renders point to noticeable refinements. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to feature rounded corners, aligning it more closely with the S26 and S26. Plus, while improving ergonomics, there's also strong speculation that Samsung may introduce a camera island, replacing the floating lens design used in recent generations. While still recognizably Ultra, these tweaks could modernize the look without losing its identity. Exclusive Galaxy AI features for the Ultra AI will be a major focus in 2026. And the Galaxy S26 Ultra may get exclusive Galaxy AI features that don't arrive on the standard models, at least initially. Leaks suggest some advanced AI tools could launch only on the Ultra, with even the S25 Ultra needing months to receive them via updates. While Samsung hasn't confirmed specifics, this could further justify the Ultra's premium positioning. Revolutionary privacy display technology. One of the most futuristic rumors involves a new privacy-focused display. According to leaks, the Galaxy S26 Ultra could use AI-driven pixel behavior to automatically obscure screen content when someone nearby tries to peek. If accurate, this would remove the need for traditional privacy screen protectors, which usually reduce brightness and clarity, offering a smarter and more seamless privacy solution. Satellite connectivity continues. Satellite communication is also expected to carry over. A 3C certification suggests the Chinese variant of the S26 Ultra may support direct satellite connectivity, while global models should retain emergency satellite messaging. Similar to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, this keeps Samsung competitive in emergency and off-grid communication features. Improved camera with wider f1.4 aperture on the camera side. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to keep Samsung's 200MP ISOCELL HP2 main sensor, but with a crucial upgrade, a wider f1.4 aperture. This change would allow significantly more light into the sensor, improving low-light photography, night shots, and background separation, while also creating a more natural depth of field effect. Exynos 2600. What we know. So far, Samsung has officially confirmed the name of its next flagship chipset, Exynos 2600, though it hasn't launched yet. Early leaks suggest it features a 10-core CPU, including a prime core clocked at 3.9 GHz, 3 high-performance cores at 3.25 GHz, and 6 efficiency-focused cores at 2.75 GHz. The chip is reportedly based on ARM's latest architecture, delivering faster AI processing and better efficiency. GPU duties may be handled by an AMD-based Exynos 960, clocked at 985 MHz. With support for modern graphics APIs like Vulkan 1.3. The Exynos 2600 is expected in the Galaxy S26 and S26, plus in most regions, while the S26 Ultra sticks with Snapdragon globally. Samsung also claims it has solved long-standing Exynos issues related to heat and power consumption using improved heat path block technology, something that will be closely tested after launch. S Pen and under-display camera rumors. There have been concerns that Samsung might compromise S Pen functionality to achieve a thinner design. Early rumors suggested the S Pen digitizer could be removed, but newer reports say Samsung wasn't satisfied with the results. Current information indicates that full S Pen support will remain intact on the S26 Ultra. Another bold rumor suggests the S26 Ultra could become Samsung's first non-folding phone with an under-display selfie camera, eliminating the punch hole cutout used since 2019. However, given Samsung recently removed under-display cameras from its foldables, this claim should be taken cautiously. Display technology and color options. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is still expected to feature a 6.9-inch AMOLED display, but with upgraded materials. Leaks mention color filter on encapsulation CFOE technology, M14 display materials, and third-generation anti-reflective glass. These upgrades could improve color accuracy, efficiency, and outdoor visibility, even if peak brightness doesn't see a major increase. Samsung may focus more on reducing glare rather than pushing headline brightness numbers this year. Final thoughts taken together. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be a refined but powerful evolution, focusing on performance consistency, smarter AI, better charging, camera improvements, and display refinements rather than flashy gimmicks. As always, we'll keep you updated as more leaks and official details emerge. If you're excited about the Galaxy S26 Ultra, make sure to stay tuned because Samsung's 2026 flagship story is only just beginning.